This question is very similar to the previous two example questions. To evaluate the integral on contour C, z squared minus 1 over z dz, and C is expressed as z equals 2 times e to the power of I theta. But this time, theta is from 0 to 2 pi. So likewise, the first step, we just need to substitute z using 2 times e to the power of I theta. So we have this. And next step, we need to update this dz to d theta because we are given theta is from 0 to 2 pi. So do a little math, and this integral function becomes integral from 0 to 2 pi, which is given, and then z function squared, using theta to express, minus 1 over the theta function, and then times this, which is 2 times e to the power of I theta times I times d theta. So in this step, we change from dz to d theta. And these two items can be cancelled, so this integral function becomes integral from 0 to 2 pi I times 2 times e to the power of I theta squared minus I d theta. So like the previous two example questions, we need to find the antiderivative of this function, which is 2 times e to the power of 2I theta minus I theta from 0 to 2 pi. And then the next step, we just need to substitute theta with 2 pi and 0 and do the math, which becomes 2 times e to the power of 2I times 2 pi minus I times 2 pi, and then minus 2 times e to the power of 2 times I times 0 minus I times 0, which becomes 2 times 1 minus I times 2 pi, and then minus 2 times 1 minus 0. Do the simple math. The final answer of this question is minus 2 pi I. Or, from the previous two example questions, we already know for this integral function from 0 to pi, the answer is minus pi I. And also, for the same integral function from pi to 2 pi, the answer is also minus pi I. So back to our question this time, the same integral function from 0 to 2 pi, we can divide it into two functions, from 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi respectively. So we just need to sum these two answers, minus pi I plus minus pi I. So we got the same answer, which is minus 2 pi I.